There are leaders, and there are followers. There are those who innovate, and those who imitate. There are companies who pave the way, companies who value time, embrace experience, and respect the world we live in. At Metrosphere, we've been trendsetters in the LED lighting industry since 2008. We stand alone as the only company that designs and makes our own products, which means we know LED technology in a way that no one else does. We are the innovators, the leaders, the trailblazers. And we're dedicated to providing personalized solutions that will reduce the amount of energy you use, reduce your energy bill, and reduce your impact on the environment. Because we know there is a better way.